Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to quickly check whether your Windows user account has administrator rights. This is super useful if you're trying to install software, change system settings, or troubleshoot issues. Let's dive into two simple ways to check. Click on the Start menu, then select the Settings icon, the gear. When Settings open, go to the Accounts tab. Under your name, you'll see your account type. If it says administrator, you're good to go. If it says standard, you don't have admin rights. For a more technical approach, let's use command prompt. So open the command prompt. Type the following command and hit enter. If the command output includes built-in administrators, it means your user account has administrator privileges. If not, your account is a standard user without admin rights. If you're not an admin, you'll need to either log in to an admin account or ask someone with admin access to make changes to your account. And that's it. Two quick ways to check if your Windows account has administrator privileges. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.